Hi. So I was scrolling through TikTok and a video popped up on my For You page of a girl that had a box around her neck and then she filled it with ice and she did a photo shoot with that. It was a really cool photo shoot, but that reminded me of something that I had seen whenever I was maybe 12 or 13 of a Vocaloid song called Echo, and in all the photos you would always see one of the girls with a television as a head. And I always thought that was really cool, and it'd be a fairly simple like costume to do, and I thought it'd be fun. I was like, maybe I'll do that someday. But the girl on the TikTok, it reminded me of that. I was like, wow, that's really cool. I could do that. I could make a television put on my head. But then I kept thinking about it, and I was like, why a television? Why not a microwave? So I thought about it, and I settled on this litter box or litter box. It's still got litter in it. Good noises. But I'm gonna cut the top off of it. I mean, even though it's already ripped off, I'm gonna cut this part off. And I'm gonna turn myself into a microwave. I'm gonna take off this part right here, and I'm going to make the door. And I think I'm gonna use this part that I cut off to make the handle for the door. Then after I make the door, I'm gonna cut out the inside and put something else inside of it so you can kind of see through it, but also kind of not, just like a microwave. And I'm gonna have it where this is the part that goes over my head. So my camera stopped recording for some reason during that time lapse, but oh well. So in the time that you didn't see, I cut a hole out in the center of the door, and I also made a little handle. Oopsie. So I can put that right there. And then this is plexiglass. So my idea is I'm gonna cut it right here. I'm gonna hot glue it to the inside. And then there'll be a little window. And I also have to paint it. Not quite sure if I should just do it all white or if I should try to do it silver. Guess we'll find out. I wish I had spray paint. That would be really nice. Anyway, I'd like to paint it before I have a Zoom class, because then it can dry while I'm doing that, and then I can get back to it later. Alright, so while I was cutting the plexiglass, at the end, or I was almost done, I put a little bit too much pressure on it and it snapped off. So it's no longer a square. It's not good, but oh, it might be fine. There'll be a little bit of a cut in the corner, but I don't think it'll be too bad. I can't tell if it's paint. Cool, the paint is still very wet. So much work. It's not even gonna look good. It's a white microwave. It's made out of cardboard and it's ugly. The paint is just about dry on the microwave. It's a tiny bit tacky, but it's not bad. I can touch it and like run my hand over it and nothing comes off. And my hot glue gun has been heating up for a little bit. I think it's time to put in this piece, and I will have to peel this off because I don't want it over it. Or maybe I do. I finished my microwave. So you can see all the writing. Is it smeared? Wonderful, I just smeared it, but that's okay. See all the numbers? Don't touch them or they'll smear. I just smeared it more. Right there, that's wonderful. Guess it's not drying because I did this a few minutes ago, but oh well, it's fine. Ouch. Isn't it awesome? It's a microwave. And I added one cool little thing that I'm very proud of. A light. I have not told my mom what I've been doing for hours. I just keep taking stuff from her. So I'm gonna get her reaction. Oh my word. I'm a microwave. I see it. Oh my word. You like it? There's a light. Oh my God. There's a light. Do you see all of my numbers? Yes. It's copied off our own microwave. I'm going outside. I hope I don't see any of my neighbors. Don't mind me. Please, no one look at me. Please, no one look at me. I want to go on my swing. I only hear the sound of boxes. It's so loud in here. Just... Oh no. I look insane. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Don't worry. Don't bark at me. Don't bark at me. You know me. We're best friends. I'm just a microwave right now. I'm dressed up as a microwave. Don't judge me. Stop, Sadie. This isn't bark time. This is microwave time. On a swing. A microwave on a swing. Oh, I'm crashing against everything. Oh no, I'm spinning. Ah! You know, I would really hate for any of my family to come home right now. Oh, I crashed against the tree. You know, if they just saw me right now like this, I don't know what I would do. I'm gonna die. Oh. Neighbors went by and they stopped and slowed down or they went past me to look. What's wrong with me? Oh.
I'm going down to see the pets. Maybe they'll love me and maybe they'll stop barking at me. Because I'm scaring them because I'm a microwave. I give off a lot of radiation. Hey y'all. How do you guys feel about me right now? Chibi? No input, huh? Hi. Nothing? That's it? Just jump at me? Okay. Stella? Alright, she has a lot of input. Stella? Stella, that's too much. Oh, my handle came off! No! Oh boy.